Hello friends, in this video I will explain you how to set up stars after the monetization of your Facebook ID. For this, go to your ID, open the professional dashboard, go to the monetization section, click on that. Here you see that setup, click on the setup. These are the steps given over here, follow them. For monetization, you must have more than 1000 followers for consecutive 60 days. After that, you will get the notification of stars which are enabled on your reels. Now let us start it. There are some guidelines given by the Facebook. You must read all these guidelines. Now let's start the setup. Click on the get started button. Now you have this screen. Guys, I already have created a video on how to switch on your professional mode on your Facebook profile. I will share the link in the description and in the I button also. Now here you need to write the name, date of birth, fill up your information. I have explained the complete method of adding your bank account and set up your start. Now you are going to select your country. Press next. Here you have to enter your business details. Click on the individual. Press next. Here you need to enter some information required by the Facebook. Enter it. I already have entered, so come to the next button. Enter your phone number and the city also. Enter the zip code and the province and all the information which is required over here. They will also ask the email address. Please put your actual email IDs there. In the section of TNT, you can write your CNIC number. Next button, GST one, I left it as it is. Press next. Okay, now link the account manually or link PayPal account. So I choose manually link the account. It automatically fetch my country. Now I have to enter my IBAN information of the bank. I add that and press next. Now it is asking for adding the text information. Click on the text information. Here I already have entered the bank information, so it is spared, and now you are on this screen where it is showing you the dashboard for that stars. I am going to read the instructions. You can now use the stars. These are the some tips which are given over here, and these are some steps. Let us start with the first step. It is asking for the add payout account, which already I have entered, so leave that one. Just click on the other management options and add information required. It is better to read all these information. That will be helpful for you to earn stars. Okay, now in the management, this is telling you how can you optimize and how can you guide your fans to give you stars. There are some tips given by the Facebook, like respond to all star senders, post about stars pinned comment, stars thank you message you should send to your senders, link stars store, what is the link from where your followers can purchase the stars for you, and in the last, stars promotion messages. There are other tips and resources also given about Facebook stars payouts, and best practices for Facebook stars. Let's begin with this option, start management. Now start creating this promotion. Here you are having send stars to support Asmakhlak. This is the message which is already given over here. If you want to add it, you can. I am just keeping it as it is for this time. Go back, click on the other option. Let's try other one, link to stars. This is the link which you can use and post to your followers, and you can create some post in which you show this link so that your followers can purchase the stars from this link. Stars thank you message, it is a good gesture to thank your star senders. Already a message has been given over here. If you want to edit it, you can by clicking the edit button. I am just leaving it as it is for now. Here you can see that it will include the username. Now click on start pinned comments. Create on it. Already a sample post is given over here. If you want to edit, you can, otherwise leave it. Now create the post about stars. Click on it. This is the post that will be posted on your profile so that your followers will know that now your profile is enabled for receiving stars. Here I will paste the link which I copied from link to star store so that my followers will know that from where they can get the stars to send me. And I am including this line also just to facilitate my followers and fans. And it's a good practice. If you want, you can also do that. Now press post. Now press the option respond to all star senders. Here you can create a post. Now I am just adding this post to inform my followers that I am enabled now to receive the stars, and this will appear on my profile. Now press the setting button. Here you will have turn on stars and the minimum number of stars that a follower or fan can send you. By default it is 10. If you want to edit, you can. Click on the edit button. If you make it 5, it will not be accepted because the minimum number of stars set by the Facebook is 10. You can increase it more than 10, like you can make it 15 if you want. Now click on Insights. You will have this page. Here the detail of your stars and earning are shown over here. Let me take you back to my profile to show you the posts which we just have created. Go to the profile. This is my profile. You can see the posts that we just created. You can see the link of stars which I added in the post. So in this way you can complete the setup of stars on your profile. For 1000 subscribers, 60 days, your stars will only appear on the reels. Let me show you where. Go to the profile, click on the reels. See, this is the star. Like my video, subscribe my channel. See you in the next informative video. Till then, take care.